There's Coconut. And here's Lily. And Poopsoo. Hey, Coconut. What's he doing? He's probably gonna dig. He loves to dig. Lily doesn't do much. He's pretty mellow. Alright, Coconut's on the move. Can't really see him too good. Hey, Coconut. What are you doing, you little bunny? Hey, Coconut. What are you doing? Hey, bunny. He loves hopping around. I think he's digging. Yeah, he's digging.